Welcome to AdvantaPure, a division of NewAge Industries. This line of high-purity flexible tubing and hose was created in the year 2000 to meet our pharmaceutical and biotech customers' need for reliable, high-quality, validated products for use in research and development, the production of vaccines, biologics, and in single-use cGMP manufacturing processes. These include single-use sterile molded filling assemblies for aseptic fill and finish applications, biopharmaceutical-grade pump tubing, hose identification products, and molded container closure systems. In order to meet our customers' exacting standards, as well as key safety regulations, our manufacturing and packaging suites are ISO 14644 certified, Class 7. We're also working toward the cleanest possible environment, even as we take ownership of a 55,000 square foot warehousing facility at our headquarters in Southampton. We have a variety of green initiatives, like our commitment to zero landfill waste, and you can find one of Pennsylvania's largest solar arrays right on the roof of our main building, generating a full megawatt of power every year. This level of care extends to our full community of stakeholders. As a B Corporation, we strive to balance purpose and profit, considering the impact of our decisions on workers, customers, suppliers, communities, and the environment. And because we're 100% employee-owned, each of us are empowered to think and act like an owner when serving our clients. AdvantaPure specializes in creating innovative solutions to our customers' most difficult application challenges. For example, our APLT ultra-low temperature platinum-cured silicone tubing remains flexible down to -112 degrees centigrade. And AdvantaFlex has become the premier TPE tubing used in single-use biopharmaceutical applications like batch sampling, filling, and storage, thanks to its heat-sealable and weldable properties. When you're in the business of saving lives, there's no room for flaws or defects. That's why AdvantaPure is uncompromising when it comes to maintaining the highest quality standards and practices, and our ISO 9001:2015 certification. We're completely employee-owned, and each of us work with maximum care to ensure not only that our customers' specifications are met, but that we can stand behind our product, no matter where the journey ends. AdvantaPure, purity and fluid flow systems.